All right, what's up, Tech? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at Shop, okay? Ticker symbol SHOP. This is Shopify, and Shopify had an amazing rally today, up over 5% on the day. And we're going to look at the Fibonacci's and just basically go over and review how you can use the Fibonacci tool by clicking this button on Thinkorswim, okay? And this will give you price targets for when you're day trading or looking to get price targets, all right? What we did was we just took our high. Okay, so this was our initial rally. All right, this is pre-market, market open. We come here, we make this initial high, and then we print this low right here. So we're going to take our swing high and swing low and connect those together. All right. And now to get your Fibonacci's to look like this on your screen, what you're going to want to do is hit edit properties. And you're going to want to click on all of these to unvisible. You're going to want to add a curve, the 1.272. All right. And you're going to want to make the 272, 1618, 2618, 4236 visible. Okay. I like to make the one a nice bright blue line and then the rest green. And you would hit save as default and hit OK. All right. So now that every time you draw it, it'll look like that for you on your screen. All right. So essentially, this blue line is going to be your breakout level. All right. And it's going to give you price targets to hit and where the stock is going to go, and essentially where you want to sell at, right, based on your own risk to reward ratio, right? So you can come and you can enter plays, and you can look to hit the 161.8, the 261.8%, the 423.6% up here, whatever your risk tolerance is, right? A lot of times, what I like to do is wait for the breakout above the 100% and play the 161.8. But you can always look to get some of these bigger plays if there's much more room in the play, right? This is a very small time frame we're looking at right now. This is the 1 minute chart, and I just want to show you guys why we came up to 380 today and why I said in the Discord, in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, that I think we were going to see 380. It was because Shop was rallying very, very hard, and the VIX was just dropping. The VIX just fell the whole entire day, and it looked like Shopify was going to sustain that rally. And if it did, it would have came and it would have hit the bullish price target up here, which was at 380.46. And sure enough, we ended up closing at 380.74, above that level. So it was really good to see that and really interesting. Just, how every day you can come in here and there's always an opportunity in the market, right? And this is one of the ways that you can, enter the market. We did have one of the Options Trading Tycoons admin members. He entered today around like 10:30, so around the breakout around here. And look, even then, this is another way you can use the fibs, okay? On the same exact chart. Let's take this high, okay? So let's say you missed all of this, and then you come up, you see this high here, and we're pulling back, okay? So you'll take your swing high, you'll take your swing low, okay? Because this is our new low that we printed, okay? And once we get a breakout above here, above your blue line, your 100%, okay? Then you have your first price target, boom, hit, okay? Second price target, hit again right here. And then later throughout the day, we came and we hit the last price target right here. All right. So, really interesting stuff. And this also is going to give us an idea, okay, of where some possible resistance could be now in the future for Shopify, right? If we do make it past here, we know that there's kind of a gap in the chart all the way up to 393.58. And we did see those levels hit on the other fib when we drew it from right here. I'll go ahead and do that again. All right, so we did see the 423 hit on today on this level, and we could see this one hit here in the near term future. So look for 393.58 to be a resistance if this rally continues. Otherwise, this could be our resistance here, and we could start falling back down. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any requests. Okay, I do viewer requests every single day. Or every single week. Okay, so let me know what ticker down below, and I'll be happy to do a video on it for you.